Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron Edition 75, the ultimate 7-seater SUV tailored for comfort, safety and performance. With a powerful 150 horsepower, 2.0 TDI engine and smooth DSG transmission, this grey beauty is the perfect combination of style and practicality. Loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and more, this vehicle ensures a luxurious and secure driving experience. Whether you need space for passengers or cargo, the Tayron's flexible interior has got you covered. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us today or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information. Drive home the Volkswagen Tayron Edition 75 and elevate your driving experience.